morning, you guys. I love that song. I know I'm late, but I love it. So anyway, I am on my way to work, and what day is it? It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Yes, so I'm on my way to work, and like I said, you know, I've been getting sick, so you guys probably can hear it in my voice. It sucks, but I suffer with really bad allergies, so that's just what I gotta deal with. Yeah, you guys, it's supposed to be like a little warm today. It's supposed to be like, I think 85 or something. But yeah, so yeah, I'm on my way to work, and I will see you guys in a minute.
Good morning, how may I help you?
Oh, I ain't even pull up yet.
Good morning. Good morning, how may I help you?
Hi, good morning. May I have the hot cakes?
Okay.
And a medium, no, I'm sorry, may I have a small coffee?
Okay.
And that's it.
423, first window.
Thank you. Do they got, I don't even know if they got flavors. I'd never come to McDonald's, y'all. I'd like do that now. But I really wanted some pancakes. Ooh, that lighting. Ooh. Yeah, but I really wanted some pancakes. So, yeah. I probably just got some really nasty kind of coffee. We're holding up. Alright, get my coupon app. I don't want no free chicken sandwich. Okay. Alright, you guys, let me get my money together and I'll be back. Y'all, so how about I pull up and this girl is hanging out the window with my bag? Like, why you gotta hang out the window with my bag? Why you can't just wait till I pull up, then give me my food? McDonald's is so ratchet. That is why I don't eat there, but I really wanted some pancakes today, so yeah. Well, you guys, I'm at work, so I will see you later.
Shutterstock Music.
Hey, you guys, so I am off work and I don't feel good. But I'm on my way to my mom's house, so yeah, I will see you guys when I get there. Bye. Okay, you guys, so we actually ended up in Target because I want to do a different wash and go for you guys with the Miss Jessie's coily custard. So I had to come and get this, and Target is doing a what is it called? Target is doing a buy $20 worth of products and you get $5 off. So I'm also gonna get some Carol's Daughter hair milk. So yeah, let me figure out which one I'm gonna get and then I'll be back. So y'all, Marcus has me maneuvering this big cart because he wants to sit his behind in there. No, I don't understand why. Stuff you do for your children. But anyway, you guys, we're getting ready to check out, so we'll see you in a minute. So you guys, Marcus is being a sourpuss because he was not ready to leave Target. Marcus, what's wrong? What you want? So yeah, anyway, you guys, I got the Miss Jessie's coily custard. So I want to try this on a wash and go, so I'm super excited. I'll be putting up a tutorial for you guys. And I also wanted to try the Carol's Daughter. I heard a lot of comments, but they were negative and some were positive. So I got the hair milk. So I'm going to see, because my hair just seems like it's like a little dry. So I want to see how that works. So yeah. So we're on the way to my mom's house now. So we'll see you soon. Watch this, y'all. Watch how Marcus act when she open the door. Watch. I told y'all. Hey, Mom.
Say hi, Auntie Faye. Say hi,
It smells real clean in here. Yeah, I think that's enough.
Huh?
I think that's enough. Y'all, my mom cooks for me. She loves me. Yeah, I think that's enough, Mom.
You know, baby, if Grandma knew you was coming to help, I got you some apple.
Ma, he already had an apple. He just finished eating an apple. I want some apple. Marcus, your popsicle good. I could tell all that dripping.
No, I just want to know. Grandma just mopped her floor.
Grandma gonna get you. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, you guys. So we're having a retirement party for my dad. It's a surprise one.
got water on there?
So, I don't know. I could look. Yeah, so he's retiring, so we're having a party for him. He doesn't know though, so yeah. I'm trying to sign it up. I mean, set it up. Not sign it up. So you guys, I am home and I am going to just end the vlog here because I'm going to go upstairs and lay down. So I will see you guys later. I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.